everyone. I am Marisa Amul together with Miss Abardo, Miss Bool, and Mr. Di Mayuga. It is with great pleasure and enthusiasm that I present before you today to introduce the Sedimentation Hub, Expediting Treatment, a pioneering computational tool meticulously crafted to enhance the efficiency and efficacy of sedimentation processes within wastewater treatment systems. Our project focuses on streamlining sedimentation processes within wastewater treatment plants. By leveraging Python programming, we have developed a user-friendly tool that calculates settling velocities of particles in sedimentation tanks.
Key features of the sedimentation hub. Settling velocity function. Computes settling velocities based on input parameters such as particle diameter, water temperature, density, particle density, and water viscosity. Main function. Controls program execution, prompts users for input parameters, computes settling velocity, and displays results. User input handling. Ensures validity and reliability of user input through iterative prompts and error checking mechanisms. Output display. Presents calculation results in a clear and informative manner, aiding user interpretation. Python programming language utilizes Python's versatility and extensive library support for efficient implementation. And last, no external packages dependency minimizes reliance on external dependencies, ensuring portability and accessibility across platforms.
Settling velocity function. This function is responsible for calculating the settling velocity. It takes 5 parameters: particle diameter, water temperature, water density, particle density, and water viscosity. Using Stokes' law, it computes the settling velocity formula considering the gravitational acceleration, particle radius, and the difference in densities between the particle and the water. Finally, it returns the calculated settling velocity. The main function serves as the entry point of the program. It controls the flow of execution and user interaction. It initializes the dictionary code parameter to store input values for the particle diameter, water temperature, water density, particle density, and water viscosity. It prompts the user to input values for each parameter. If the entered value is not greater than 0 or it is not a valid numeric input, it raises a value error and prompts the user to re-enter a value. Once all input parameters are obtained, the main function called the settling velocity function with the user-provided parameter to calculate the settling velocity. Finally, it displays the calculation result, including the user-provided parameter and the computed settling velocity rounded to 2 decimal places.
Execution flow. The script starts by executing the main function. Inside the main function, user input prompts are displayed iteratively for each parameter. After valid input is obtained for all parameters, the settling velocity is calculated using the settling velocity function. The calculation results, including the input parameters and the settling velocity, are then displayed to the user. Overall, this script provides a straightforward and interactive way for users to compute the settling velocity of particles, which is crucial for understanding sedimentation processes in wastewater treatment. How does it work? Users input parameters such as particle diameter, water temperature, and etc. The sedimentation hub calculates settling velocity using the provided parameters. Results, including user-provided parameters and computed settling velocity, are displayed to the user.
The Sedimentation Hub represents a significant advancement in wastewater treatment technology. Its user-friendly interface, robust functionality, and potential impact on treatment efficiency make it an invaluable tool for engineers, researchers, and environmentalists alike.
Thank you for your attentive presence. We are open to receiving any feedback or insights you may wish to share regarding the Sedimentation Hub. Your contributions are greatly valued and appreciated.